Welcome to Biker's Choice. Today we're taking a closer look at the Ducati Monster 821, a bike that perfectly embodies the spirit of the Monster lineage. Known for its blend of performance, style, and practicality, the Monster 821 is designed for riders who crave a thrilling experience without sacrificing everyday usability. Let's dive into what makes this motorcycle a standout in the naked bike category. Design and aesthetics. The Ducati Monster 821 boasts a striking design that combines iconic elements with modern flair. Its muscular stance, featuring a trellis frame and a prominent fuel tank, highlights its sporty heritage. The distinctive round headlight and minimalist bodywork give it an aggressive yet sophisticated look. Available in multiple color options, including the classic Ducati Red, the Monster 821 appeals to a wide range of riders, ensuring you'll make a statement wherever you go. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Monster 821 is a powerful 821-L twin engine that delivers exhilarating performance. Producing around 109 horsepower and 86 Nm of torque, this engine provides a thrilling ride whether you're navigating city streets or winding roads. The bike's lightweight chassis contributes to its nimbleness, allowing for quick direction changes and responsive handling. The Monster 821 is equipped with a 6-speed transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts and an engaging riding experience. Comfort and ergonomics. Ducati has designed the Monster 821 with rider comfort in mind. The seat height is set at a manageable 32.3 inches, making it accessible for various rider heights. The riding position is relaxed with slightly raised handlebars that promote a natural stance. This ergonomics package ensures that both short commutes and long rides remain enjoyable. The bike's adjustable suspension further enhances comfort, allowing riders to customize their setup according to personal preferences and riding conditions. Technology and features. The Monster 821 is equipped with modern technology that enhances both performance and safety. The bike features multiple riding modes, allowing you to tailor the power delivery and traction control to suit different conditions. The LCD instrument panel provides essential information, including speed, gear position, and fuel level, all in an easily readable format. Additionally, the Monster 821 comes with ABS, anti-lock braking system, and Ducati's safety pack, ensuring you have the confidence to tackle any road. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Ducati Monster 821 is an impressive motorcycle that combines performance, style, and comfort in one compelling package. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, the Monster 821 offers an exhilarating experience that's hard to match. Thank you for joining us on this detailed look at the Monster 821 here at Biker's Choice. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the Monster 821?